Good day, guys. My name is Enes Gabriel, and you're welcome to OBN Tech TV. As you can see in the dashboard, this is an Admob earning from one of my students here. He earned $109 per day, as you can see, and this earning from an app called Burna Boy Music Carbon, and I will show you everything about this app, how you can get this app, how to create this app from your own self. And this earning, is it really real? Can you really make something like this per day? $109. So I will walk through all the procedure from the gas app down to the calculation, or how you can get all this set up by your own self without the help of anybody. So I will show you right in this video. Just stick close and watch to the end of this video. And if you are new here, do well to subscribe, as I will be showing you more proof on Admob and also app creation stock on how you can start as a beginner. And if you already have an Admob account and an active app on Playstore, how you can grow more. This earning is something you can get within a day. 1,000 earning is what you can get with the time period of 1 month, and I will show you how this thing is being set up right in this video. So subscribe and stay tuned to the end of this video.
As this is the application here, is the Burna Boy or songs that you can see right now, and the guy's name is PHA. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can also check this app yourself. This application got 5,000 download, as you can see here. 5,000 download, and it earned much as what I just showed you in the previous video per day. Just 5 much downloads here. And if you check down here, we see the review of this application. It's really good. 5 star, 5 star. I love this very one. 5 star. Okay, let us continue for all the reviews, and you will see, yeah, 5 star. And yeah, people really love this app. People really love using this application. So people really love using this application, and it had 5k download. So what is inside this application? Okay, the preview here, we can see the surface. Yeah, this is very nice surface. Yeah, this app is very nice, and I know you want to see how the aid works in this application. Let me open it now and let us see how the aid works in. So I'll click on the open button, as you can see. Okay, so this is the open button. So let us just wait for the app to load up. So this is a Burna Boy music song, as you can see. So I really like the opening of this application. So this is started 8 though, so let me go back, because this guy integrated to Admob, and as you can see, this Admob aid already showing down here. Yeah, this Admob aid already showing down here, and this is the way we know Admob aid with this icon here. You know that it's from Google Admob. Let us click one of this hub and let us see what's going to happen. Okay, wow, this rewarded aid video that this is showing right now, as you can see. And yeah, this is really good. This aid is very good, and it works perfect on this application. Okay, I will skip the video now at the top. Now I will skip. Then this is it. This is the hub on here. So when you click on the music, it's going to play, but my phone is on silent because of YouTube policy, so that I will not go against copyright issue, because of the music song. So I will not play the video in music ad. So this is really good application. And you see another aid. Let me go back. As you see, there's another banner aid here, and now this more the aid, the more the earning from this application. So let me click on another app here again, and as you can see, this is the same thing. So this guy's app really work, and it's quite good. So if you need something like this, I can actually develop it from YouTube to also get this kind of application, the music application. So very nice application. So another feature of this aids I show again is that this part of it, when you click on it to download this very music now, so I'll click on it to download it. You see, to set as ringtone or to download this music here, as you can see, you need aids. You need to watch an aid to actually do that. So for example, I want to download it. Let me click on the download button now. So I click on download. Say to use this feature, you need to watch an aid. Do you want to see an aid? So we'll click on aid shown. Then what happened? There's another rewarded video, and this guy's really earning big from this application. There's another video again. So once the video counts up down, I can actually skip this video but still yet the more the user using this application, and this guy currently have 5k download this application. So for example, that 5k download, we know the 5k persons will not be always active in the application, that's sure. So for example, now there are 2000 users. So for example, there are 5,000 download and there are 2,000 users using this very application, as you can see. So these 2,000 users using this application every single day, each of them is going to actually watch, just for example, the age show to them like just for 10 times, just 10 times. If it's a 1,000 persons and the show age show just 10 times, that will be 10,000 impression. While 2,000 persons, that will be 20,000 impression. Let me confirm that. So this is my calculator. For example, now you have 1,000 active users every single day on your application, and this 1,000 active users actually have to see minimum of just 10 aid, just 10 aid. For example, okay, look at it. Look at it. Calculation. First of all, you have 1,000 users, yeah, times 10 aid, which is 10,000 aid is going to show in your application. As you can see here, 10,000 aid is going to show for that day from your application. 10,000 impressions, and these impressions, the average cost of this impression is like 1,000 impression. That's the ECPN will give you $10 for 1,000 impressions, for example. Now the minimum payout, as in the minimum impression you can get per just one impression, it will be 0.001. yeah. So now let us times 10,000 times 0.001, 0.01, and that is what? That is $100 just for 1,000 app users. So this is really easy to get, and you can see from this guy's app. Yeah, now there's another A showing at the bottom again. Okay, this aid is for start app. So this guy actually earned from Admob, and he also earned from start application. So if you need this application, the link is in the description in the below, so that you can check it for yourself and see that this thing is for real. And if you want to create something like this, my WhatsApp contact is in the description below, and you can also chat me up on Telegram. Always active on any type of app creation, and more proof of application will be coming soon. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe it, and it's all helpful, like and also drop comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.